for 90 bob. And then I've gotten this karinguru. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most welcome. So today I want to head out. As you can see, I'm all ready. I need to go out to local sites at OTC to get some stuff. I don't have any soap detergents. I don't have bathing soaps. Colgate's niko nazo, so I was thinking I would take you with me. Umjue kwenye to get all these things, and and tissues. That's very important. And then I wanted also to show you this thing that I got last week from Kamukunji. It's plastic, so I have just stuck it for a while because it's not shika in here. So yeah, that's a very nice purchase I got, and as I said, it was around 400 bob. So yeah, it's very nice. It doesn't give so many colors like black, sijui green. So that's a very nice purchase. And as you can see, my gloves are. So yeah, I'm in an all black outfit except for the jeans. I have the all-star black in color. So I was thinking we should go, and I save a lot of money from that place getting these things. They are so cheap. Like the 1 kg soap, the one you get from the supermarkets at around 280, I get it at 120, I believe. So let's go and do all that. I will show you where to get all these things, and maybe get a contact for one of the guys from the shop there. So let's go. In a particular shop here inside, you just come inside. The shop is called that's the name. It's inside here, and they have lots and lots of, you see that they have sweets, they have snacks, they have all these things, and for the price they're selling at way cheaper. Can you believe this? It's 200 bob. 200. I'm not sure where you can get this in the supermarket at that price tag. And then I have these packers that I got the entire pack for 90 bob. And then I've gotten this karinguru. I'll look for a name and insert here what it's called in English. But anyway, I got this for 90 bob. So yeah. So I have this big box. Okay, it's not so big, but it's big. It's big. I got this. Then I got that, and I have that from Quick Mart. I didn't realize there were some things I did not have, so I quickly grabbed I missed having this coconut cream while cooking beans, so I got this, just one, because of my beans. And then I have Ribena. We nowadays don't get these things, but I missed this. And then while cooking last week, this finished, I got, sorry, while cooking food, this is what I got. And then this, if you've been watching me for a while, you know that I cook, I bake, so this is for baking. While cooking the cinnamon rolls, this is what I've been using to what is it called, kind of garnish. So yeah, I got this one, and these things are pretty cheap, by the way. This was like 99 bob, and then this was 112 bob, or vice versa. And then I got these ones, they were on offer, so I got 5 pieces. And then we needed some snacks for the house, so I got this, and I got this. The mama who was supposed to deliver wasn't around, so I just bought from the supermarket. And I miss coconut rice, so I got this. So that's from Quick Mart. Let's quickly start with this. So I have an avocado. I only got one. And then I have these bananas, which are, these bananas will only be here for like 3 days, guys. 3 days. So I got this. My babies love eating bananas, and anyway, we make juices for them by blending this. So while in Kamukunji today, I got these Crocs. So I realized my light wasn't on, so I got these Crocs. I got 2 for the little one, and 1 for the bigger one. So I got these Crocs, which were going for 150 bob each. Yeah, 150. So were these, they were 150 bob. I got her another color because she has a pink one, so I got a blue one. Then while buying the other one, they didn't have sizes. I didn't buy in Kamukunji. I bought from town, so I got her 2 and the other one 1 pair. So they have both 2. Well, they still have the older ones, the just plain colored ones. So these, I thought they were cute. So I also got some apples. There's a guy who brings these apples to me. I got apples. Well, they were 8. They were 8, so yeah, for 200 bob. They have so many papers. So while in Kamukunji today as well, I got this mug. While in Kamukunji today, I came across this mug. Welcome, welcome. I came across this mug. It's YouTube. And since I do YouTube videos, I thought it was cute, so I got one. It's ceramic. So if this fell down, that's it. That's it. So I really need to take care of this. This is the box. Useless right now. So to the bigger one. Now these things I didn't buy from one shop, I got from different shops, which is why it looks the way it looks from different shops. Come on. So I got these tissues. It's a pack of 40 rosary tissues. The entire pack was going for 800, as I said. I didn't want to keep on going back to the supermarkets or the place to buy like 10 pieces and then 10 pieces again. So I usually buy in bulk just to keep, and that way I know I have stock, and it won't keep on stressing me to keep on going back to buy, if that makes sense. So I got this whole pack of tissues. And then while still in those shops, they are on your way to it's actually around OTC area. So I did get this Milo, which was going for 600 bob. Like, it's the really huge one. It's not the one that's up to here that goes for 500 and something. So I got this 600 bob, and then I got an entire pack of Rhino match boxes. The entire pack was going for around 240. Comes with a pen. I also got this. As I said, I don't buy the other ones. I prefer this to the Morning Fresh and all that, but once in a while I buy them. So this was going for, I think, how much were they? Do I have the receipt? Well, if I don't remember, I'll put the price on the screen. And then I got this guy, MWACAR. So this was going for, I believe, 280. Yeah, I think so, 280. It's how many mls? It's the 750 mls, and the light keeps on changing. Well, I also got this, was going for 300 bob. And the rest, Miss Sabuni, as I said, these were going for 120 each, and where I live we have salty water, so these work perfectly. They foam a lot. So I got 3 of them. Then I got bathing soaps. That's all. I bought every flavor of this because last time I bought, I think 2, yeah, and they were okay and they smelled really good. So I got more of these. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. Well, as I said, you get almost everything here. So I got some. Well, I got these sweets. Go on the shelf because of the kids. And then I got this, as I showed you. Am I missing one thing? No, I think that's it. And then I got these serviette rolls, which go for 80, I think 80 bob each. So I got 2, and a hand wash, which I believe I asked for 2. So let me look for the receipt and see if it's as it's supposed to be. But overall, I am very, very happy for these purchases. In fact, every time I go there and save a coin or 2, yeah, that's how I feel each and every time I go down there to buy things, instead of buying them from the supermarket and use more money and get these items. I just go downtown. Now the only thing is carrying, and you have to keep on moving from shop to shop. If that's your kind of thing, then I believe that place is for you. But if you're the person who likes buying everything under one roof, I can't help you. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this haul. I don't know how to call it. Is it groceries haul or something of the sort? I hope you've enjoyed this haul. My battery is dying, so let me just finish this right here. If you haven't subscribe down below for more of these types of videos. If you haven't liked the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you've enjoyed, or if you think you'll be going down there I'll appreciate. Anyway, or leave just a nice comment down below. Bye guys, and God bless. See ya.